Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Autohrycfix. Yesterday my sister-in-law gave me a call and said that while she was driving, she pushed the brakes and her foot went directly to the floor. So here we are at her place, and we're gonna take a look and see what could be the problem. Some things that I thought of right away off the bat could be brake booster, master cylinder, or a caliper that's leaking, or it could be a line that was leaking. I asked her to do a few things to let me know ahead of time to see what I thought it could be. I asked her to check the reservoir, and right away she saw that it was very low. So that was more of an indication that tells me that there's probably a leak somewhere in the system. So what she did also was she's pumped and looked underneath and saw that it was leaking in the area of the front right wheel. Excuse me, not front right, front left wheel. And so it gave me more indication thinking it might be either a caliper or a line that either the rubber hose burst or maybe a metal line was rusted through, so it's leaking from there. So I already took off the wheel and we'll take a look and see exactly what it is. All right, so I removed the wheel, and right away, very lucky of me, I saw that this is not supposed to be like this. This is the brake hose that goes with the caliper. As you can see, it completely rusted through and came out completely. Quite dangerous, but I'm very happy that she got to stop where she did and that she got home safely. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is I'm going to replace the hose that goes from here to the caliper right there, and then afterwards we're going to bleed the system. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So it's quite an easy fix. Just one bolt right here we're going to remove, and we're going to remove the line here and then reattach the new hose. I already went ahead and put some WD-40 on the line so that, as you can see, it's quite rusted. Sometimes if it's too rusted, what you might have to do is take out the torch and heat it up a little bit. All right. All right, so we went ahead, we were able to remove this part here from the main line. Here's our new rubber hose. Now we're going to remove the bolt here and install the new line here. And inside the kit they give you two new washers, like banjo washers, so that it has no leaks. All right, so we replaced the line completely. Now we're going to go ahead and bleed the brakes. Best way for that, it's going to need a two-people job. You're going to need someone in the car to pump the brakes for you so that you can bleed them. We went ahead and we refilled the reservoir to make sure that it's full. So we're going to go ahead now and I'm going to get my nephew to get in the car and pump so we can bleed them. All right. So there you have it. It's getting a little dark. I'm gonna start tidying up, but the job is done. It went quite well. Again, we just had to replace the brake hose. We're quite lucky. And after that, we just bled the system. It took a few pumps to make all the air come out, but after that, it was coming out in nice streams. And then after we pumped it about another 2-3 times just to make sure that there was all the air was out of the system. Now I'm going to put back the wheel. I'm going to go for a road test. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Hope you guys learned something. If anybody has any tips or any other ways of doing this type of work, share, I'm sure I would love to know new ways of doing this as well. And so I'd just like to say thanks again for coming on for the journey with us. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.